This is with Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch primary mouse button on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Learn how to easily customize and switch the mouse button on your Mac for enhanced control and ease of use. Whether you are a left-handed user or simply prefer a different button configuration, this video will show you how to switch your primary button on your mouse on MacBook. So it's very simple. First of all, you can open your system preferences on your Mac. From here, you can go to mouse. You can select mouse, click on mouse, and you'll find there is an option to adjust your tracking speed on your mouse and also the double click speed. And here's the primary mouse button. Maybe you use mouse with your left hand and want the primary click action as the right button. You can choose on right, or maybe you simply prefer to use the opposite for comfort. Depending on the version of macOS you're running and perhaps even the type of mouse you're using, it may be not an obvious change. So you can follow the step by step to change your primary mouse button. By default, your primary mouse button is set to the left, but if you want to change it to right, you can just choose on right. And that is, you have changed your primary mouse from left to right, and you can change it anytime you want on your system preferences on MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to switch your primary button on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!